a Balkan gem unveiling Albania's splendor. Nestled in the heart of the Balkans, Albania is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Bordered by Montenegro to the north, Kosovo to the northeast, North Macedonia to the east, and Greece to the south and southeast, Albania enjoys a strategic location in southeastern Europe. Its western shores are caressed by the azure waters of the Adriatic and Ionian Seas, offering breathtaking coastal views. With a rich history and vibrant culture, Albania is emerging as a captivating destination for travelers seeking authentic European experiences. Albania's strategic location has shaped its destiny for centuries. As a crossroads between East and West, it has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, leaving behind a legacy of diverse cultural influences. From the ancient Illyrians to the Romans, Ottomans, and modern-day Republic, Albania's past is etched into its archaeological sites, historical monuments, and the traditions of its people. Today, Albania stands at a pivotal moment, embracing its heritage while looking towards a brighter future as a member of NATO and an aspiring candidate for European Union membership. From coastal plains to rugged peaks, Albania's diverse landscapes. Albania's allure lies not only in its history but also in its remarkable geographical diversity. The Albanian Alps, also known as the Accursed Mountains in the north, offer breathtaking vistas of snow-capped peaks, deep gorges, and pristine glacial lakes. Hikers and nature enthusiasts will find themselves in awe of the rugged beauty of Valbona Valley National Park and Theth National Park. Contrasting the Alpine north, the central and southern regions of Albania are characterized by rolling hills, fertile plains, and a sun-drenched coastline. The Albanian Riviera, stretching along the Ionian Sea, boasts picturesque beaches, crystal-clear waters, and charming seaside villages. From the bustling port city of Durrës to the ancient ruins of Butrint, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Albania's coastline offers a delightful blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. The soul of Albania, warm hospitality and ancient traditions. At the heart of Albania's charm are its people, known for their warm hospitality and strong sense of tradition. Albanian culture is a vibrant tapestry woven from ancient Illyrian roots, Ottoman influences, and the resilience of a nation that has weathered countless storms. Family and community are paramount in Albanian society, and visitors are often welcomed with open arms and genuine generosity. Traditional Albanian cuisine is a testament to the country's rich agricultural heritage. Fresh, locally sourced ingredients take center stage, with dishes like tav kosi, baked lamb with yogurt, and bajrek, a savory pastry filled with cheese, spinach, or meat, tantalizing the taste buds. Music and dance play an integral role in Albanian culture, with traditional folk songs and dances often performed at weddings, festivals, and other social gatherings. Echoes of the past, glimpses of the future. Albania's historical tapestry. Albania's history is a captivating saga marked by periods of both glory and hardship. From the ancient Illyrian kingdom to the Roman conquest, the Byzantine Empire, and the Ottoman rule, Albania has witnessed the ebb and flow of empires. The country declared its independence in 1912, but its path to modernity was fraught with challenges, including a period of communist rule under Enver Hoxha. Since the fall of communism in 1991, Albania has made significant strides towards democracy and a market economy. The country joined NATO in 2009 and is an aspiring candidate for European Union membership. While challenges remain, Albania's future appears bright, driven by a youthful population, a growing tourism industry, and a renewed sense of national pride.